Samsung Galaxy 4 7.0 Screen Assembly Replacement Guide. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, Phillips screwdriver, playing cards, power down your 7-inch Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 tablet, use the plastic triangle opening tool to release the clips and then pop the Samsung tablet out of its rear enclosure. Release the ZIF connector and detach the battery cable. Detach the bevy of cables from the 7-inch Tab 4 motherboard. Remove the following 5 Phillips screws. With the spudger in hand, extricate the motherboard from the Samsung tablet. Use the heat gun to warm up the adhesive securing the 7-inch Galaxy Tab 4 touchscreen digitizer to the midframe. Start attacking the adhesive with the triangle opening tool. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through most of the sticky adhesive, use a playing card to help carefully finish the job. Be mindful of the digitizer's cable when decoupling the Tab 4 touchscreen from the midframe. Utilizing a playing card, patiently work around the 7-inch Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 LCD and free it from the adhesive, securing it to the midframe. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.